Experience the ongoing construction of the impressive 25,000 square feet college building by Team DekkorAakar. In the aerial shot, you can see the current focus on slab casting, covering an area of 7,000 square feet. Team DekkorAakar's skilled workforce and experienced engineers work diligently, ensuring precise concrete pouring and reinforcement bar arrangement for a solid foundation. Their commitment to maintaining the highest quality standards is evident throughout the project. As the slabs take shape, the building begins to emerge, promising an inspiring learning environment for future generations. Team DekkorAakar's vision combines functionality with contemporary aesthetics, creating a space that fosters growth and academic excellence.